Hello students, today we shall continue the remaining problems based on CBR, GFR, ASFR and TFR. Here the ninth problem is calculate CBR, GFR and ASFR for the age group 15 to 24. Here they are given age in years, male population, female population and number of live births. Here the age groups are 0 to 9 up to so on 50 and above, and with respect to male, female population and number of live births are given. Calculate CBR. Okay, we have solved, already we have solved 8th problem, same as it is. Here solution. Here what is the CBR formula? Here CBR equal to B by P into 1000. Here number of live births by total population into 1000. Here total population is what? That is male population plus female population. Only in CBR we have to take both male and female population, that is B by P into 1000. Here we want the number of male population and number of female population. 6400 plus 5430 plus 6300 plus 2300 plus 4700 plus 5600 plus 2800, then we will get 33,530. 33,530. Next female population 5,197 plus 6,153 plus 7,888 plus 3,444 plus 3,800 plus 4400 plus 1119. Then we get 32,001. The next number of 510 plus 880 plus 277 plus 45. Then we get 1712. Here we have to apply formula, that is CBR equal to B by P into 1000. Then substitute the values. Number of live births was 1717 divided by population, that is both male and female population, 33,530 plus 32,001 into 1000. Here 1717 divided by 33,530 plus 32,001, then we will get 65,531 into 1000. Here 17,717 divided by 65,531 into 100, then we get 26.20. 26.20 is a CBR value. 26.20 is a CBR value. So next we have to find GFR. What is the formula GFR? GFR equal to number of live births by total number of women population of a childbearing age group into 1000, that is B by sum of 15 to 49 women of the childbearing age group, that is FPX, female population at the age X, into 1000. We have to substitute the number of births, that is 1717 divided by female population at the age X. Female population only you have to consider female population. GFR only you have to consider female population that of a childbearing age group, that is 15 to 49. Then we have to add 7,880 plus 3,444 plus 3,800 plus 4,044. Okay, here we have to add 7,888 plus 3,444 plus 3,800 plus 4,400 into 1000. 1717 divided by 7,888 plus 3,444 plus 3,800 plus 4,400 equal to 19,552. 19,532 into 1000, that is 1717 divided by 19,552 into 1000 is 87.90. 87.90 is the GFR value. General fertility rate value is 87.90. Okay. Next we have to find ASFR for the age group 15 to 24. Here ASFR for the age group 15 to 24. What is ASFR? The average number of live births occurring to 1000 women population of a specified age group in a year is called as ASFR. Here apply formula. ASFR equal to the number of live births in the specified year that is 15 to 24 divided by total number of women population in the specified age group year, that is age group 15 to 24 into 1000. Here we have to substitute the values. That is the number of live births in the specified age group, that is 15 to 24 is 15 to 24 means we have to add these two values 15 to 24, 15 to 19 plus 20 to 24, that is 510 plus 880 divided by total number of women population, say 7888 plus 3444 into 1000. Then we will get 510 plus 880 is 1390 divided by 7888 plus 3444 is 11332 into 1000. Then we will get 1390 divided by 11332 into 1000. Then we will get 122.66. 122.66 is the answer, that is 122.6 is the ASFR for the age group 15 to 24. Yes, got it. Okay. The next ninth problem over, sorry. The next 10th problem you have to calculate, that is the homework. 10th problem is homework. The following table gives the age and sex distribution and the number of live births occurring in the year in a population. Calculate CBR, GFR and ASFR. Here they are given age group, male population, female population and number of live births, same as it is. You only do it, it is a homework. The next question is 11th question. Calculate GFR and TFR from the following data. Calculate GFR and TFR from the following data. Tenth, 11th problem. Calculate GFR and TFR. Calculate GFR and TFR from the following data. Here they are given age groups, female population, number of live births, here age groups is measured in terms of in years, in years, that is 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49. With respect to female populations, 10,000, 15,000, 14,000, 13,000, 9,000, 6,000 and 3,000. And number of live births are 500, 900, 1400, 1170, 450, 120 and next one is 30. Calculate GFR and TFR from the following data. Calculate gross reproduction rate and total fertility rate from the following data. Here the first we have to calculate solution. GFR equal to B by sum of 15 to 49 FPX into 1000. Here we have to find number of live births. Here they are given women of the childbearing age group, that is 15 to 49, directly they are given. Here we have to add 500 plus 900 plus 1400 plus 1170 plus 450 plus 120 plus 30, then we will get 4570, 4570. And next, number of female population 10,000 plus 15,000, 25,000 plus 14,000 plus 13,000 plus 9,000 plus 9,000, 6 plus 3, 9,000. Then we will get 70,000. Then substitute the values. 4,570 divided by 70,000 into 1,000. Here 457 divided by 7, then we will get 65.28. 65.28 is the GFR value. 65.28 is the GFR value. Okay. The next we have to find total fertility rate. What is the total fertility rate? It is the sum of the annual age specific fertility rate. Here we requires all the ASFRs. Okay, here one more column we have to write, that is ASFRs column, that is ASFR. Then how to calculate ASFR? Here first you have to find ASFR for the age group 15 to 19. ASFR for the age group 15 to 19 is number of live births in the year, in the specified year, in the specified age group, that is 15 to 19, divided by total number of women population, total number of women population in the specified year, in the specified age group, that is 15 to 19 into 1000. Okay, here The number of live births in the specified age group 15 to 19. 15 to 19 number of live births was 500 divided by number of women population in the age group 15 to 19 women population 10,000 into 1000, then you will get 50 is the ASFR for the age group 15 to 19. 15 to 19 is 50. Remaining you have to calculate directly, that is 900 divided by 15,000. Okay, age group for the year, specified year, that is 20 to 24. 24 is 900 divided by women population, that is female population is 15,000 into 1000, then we get 16. The next 25 to 29 number of live births were 1400 divided by female populations were 14,000 into 1000, then we get 100. The next 1170 divided by 13,000 into 100, then we get 9. Okay, it is 10, not 100, it is 10. The next 450 divided by 9,000 into 1000, then we get 50. The next 120 divided by 6,000 into 1000, then we get 20. The next 30 divided by 3000 into 1000, then we get 10. Here we want sum of the ASFRs. What is the TFR formula? TFR equal to what? TFR, what is the TFR formula? TFR equal to 5 into sum of 15 to 49 quinquennial ASFR. Here 5 into sum of 15 to 49 quinquennial ASFR. Here sum of ASFR is 50 plus 60 is 110, 110 plus 10 is 120, 120 plus 59 plus 30, then we get 209. You have to substitute the values. 5 into sum of 15 to 49 quinquennial ASFR is 209, that is 209 into 5, then we will get 1045. 1045 is the TFR. TFR equal to what? 1045. Okay, suppose, and also comment means here TFR divided by 1000. TFR divided by 1000 gives the average number of female children. The average number of children born in lifetime to one woman. TFR divided by 1000 gives the average number of children born in lifetime to one woman. In lifetime to one woman. That is 1045 divided by 1000 is divided by 1000 is 1.45. Then you will get 1.45 is the TFR. That is one children per woman. 1.45 means approximately it is one children per woman. Okay. The next problem, 12th one, same as it is. Calculate GFR and TFR from the following data. Here they are given age groups, female population, number of live births, same as it is. You only do it. It is a homework. The next one, 13th problem, calculate total fertility rate. Calculate TFR, total fertility rate. Calculate TFR. Here they are given age group, female population and number of live births. Here 15 to 19 female population 50,000. The next 60,000, 45,000, 40,000, 25,000, 20,000, 10,000. Okay, with respect to number of live births, 1,000, 7,000, 8,000, 5,000, 100, 50 dash. Calculate TFR, total fertility rate. What is the formula? TFR equal to 5 into sum of 15 to 49 quinquennial ASFR. Okay, here first you have to find ASFR for the age group 15 to 19, that is number of live births in the specified age group 15 to 19 divided by total number of women population in the specified age group 15 to 19 is, that is the number of live births in the specified age group 15 to 19 is 1000 divided by female population in the specified age group 15 to 19 is 50,000 into 1000, then you will get 20 is the ASFR for the age group 15 to 20. Okay, here the first one is 20 ASFR, the first ASFR is 20. Second, you have to calculate directly 7,000 divided by 60,000 into 1000, then you will get 116.66. 116.66. The next 8,000 divided by 45,000 into 1000, then we will get 177.77. The next 5,000 divided by 40,000 into 1000, then you will get 125 is the answer. The next 100 divided by 25,000 into 1000, then you will get 4. 50 divided by 20,000 into 1000, then you will get 2.5. Last one is 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. Then sum of ASFR is what? 20 plus 116.66 plus 177.77 plus 125 plus 4 plus 2.5. Then we will get 445.93. Sum of ASFR is 445.93. Then substitute the values, that is apply formula TFR equal to 5 into sum of 15 to 49 quinquennial ASFR. Here TFR equal to 5 into sum of quinquennial ASFR is 445.93. Here 5 into 445.93 is 229. Okay, 2229. 2229.65. It is the TFR. TFR equal to 2229.65. Okay, it is about calculation of TFR. Okay, the next 14th problem, calculate total fertility rate from the following data. Here they are given age group, female population, male population, female population, number of live births. Okay, here the male population is not included, okay, not considered, only you have to consider female population, okay, and number of live births. You only do it, it is a homework. The next one is 15th problem. Calculate the total fertility rates and compare the fertility of the two communities. Compare the fertility rates of two communities. Here they are given calculate total fertility rate, sorry, it is 15th problem. Compute the total fertility rates and compare the fertility of the two communities. Here they are given age group 15 to 19 up to so on 45 to 49 and age specific fertility rates. Age specific fertility rates. Okay, here community A and community B are given. Community A community B. Here 15 to 19, 81.35, 153.33, 185.19, 103.13, 72.73, 24.81, last one is 3.71. With respect to community B, 39.49, 162.5, 238.44, 85.19, 34.93, 6.23, and last one is 0.83. Calculate total fertility rates and compare the fertilities of two communities Okay, here they are given directly specific ASFRs for community and community Bs. Here no need to calculate ASFRs for community and community B, because here they are given directly ASFRs for community and community B. Here they are given directly ASFRs. Okay, here you have to compare the fertility rates of two communities. Okay, here the first one is the fertility rate, okay, TFR for community A. Solution: TFR for community A TFR for community A is TFR equal to, that is community A, TFR equal to 5 into sum of 15 to 49 ASFRs for A. It is ASFR for A, ASFR for A, and it is ASFR for B. Okay, here we want sum of ASFR for A, that is 81.35 plus 153.33 plus 185.19 plus 103.13 plus 72.73 plus 24.81 plus 3.71, then we will get 624.25. 624.25 for community A, and community B is 39.49 plus 162.5 plus 238.44 plus 85.19 plus 34.93 plus 6.23 plus 0.83, then we will get 567.61. 567.61. Okay, here substitute the values. 5 into sum of ASFR for A, 624.25, then we will get 5 into 624.25 is 3121.25. It is TFR for A. TFR for A. The next TFR for community B. TFR for community B, that is TFR for B equal to sum of 5 into sum of 15 to 49 ASFR for B, ASFR for B. Here 5 into sum of ASFR for B is 567.61 is 5 into 567.61 is 2838. 2838.05. It is the TFR for B. Okay. Okay, TFR for A and TFR for B over. See here, and compare the fertility of two communities. Compare. Okay, here the more the TFR is more fertile. Okay, highest the, which one is the highest? That is the more fertile. Okay, here TFR for A is 3121.25 and TFR for B is 2838.05. Okay, here community A is more fertile. Therefore community A is more fertile. Community A is more fertile. Okay, here the highest the TFR is the more fertile. Here highest is TFR for A, that is 3121.25. It is a more fertile. Okay, it is about 15th problem. The next one is 16th problem. Calculate from the following data. Calculate TFRs and compare the fertility of two cities. Compare the fertilities of two cities. Okay, here sixteenth problem. Here they are given female population. That is city A, city B. Number of live births. For city A and city B. Here they are given values 14,000 city A, 14,000, 15,000, 14,000, 12,000, 13,000, 12,000, 11,000, and city B 47,000, 50,000, 46,000, 44,000, 40,000, 39,000 and 30,000. For city A, number of live births 1,204, 2295, 2,295, 2,590, 1,236, 936, 288 and 33. Next city, for city B 1,222, 7,400, 9,660, 5,540, 1,360, 507 and 60. Okay, calculate TFRs. Okay, here you have to find the TFR for, first you have to find ASFR for the family A, that is city A. ASFR, that is 15 to 19 for city A, that is ASFR for the age group 15 to 19 is number of live births, in the specified year, that is 15 to 19 divided by total number of female population, the specified year, (15 to 19) is 1,000 into 1,000. Here number of live births for city A, that for city A is 1,204, divided by number of female population for city A 14,000 into 1000, then you will get 1204 divided by 14,000 into 1000, then you will get 86. Here ASFR for A, ASFR for B. ASFR for A is what? 86. Remaining you have to calculate as it is, that is 2295 divided by 15,000 into 1000, then you will get 153. The next 259390 divided by 14,000 into 1000, then you will get 185. The next 1236 divided by 12,000 into 1000, then you will get 103. 936 divided by 13,000 into 1000, then you will get 72. 288 divided by 12,000 into 1000, then you will get 24. 33 divided by 11,000 into 1000, then you will get 3. Here sum of ASFR, that is 86 plus 153 plus 185 plus 103 plus 72 plus 24 plus 3 is 626. Sum is 626. Here first TFR for city A is 5 into sum of 15 to 49 ASFR for A, that is 5 into 624, then you will get 624, then you will get, it is 626, then you will get 3130 is a TFR for A. The next you have to find TFR for city B, that is TFR for B equal to 5 into sum of 15 to 49 ASFR for B. Here you have to find ASFR for B, that is 1222 divided by 47,000 into 1000. Next 153 divided by 7,400 divided by 50,000 into 1000, then we get ASFR for B. Okay, up to so on 45 to 49. Okay, city ASFR for B find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Next ಅಂದ್ರೆ TFR for B ನೀವು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. It is a homework. That is TFR for B. Compare the fertility rates. Which one is the highest? That is the more fertile. Okay. In the next class, we shall discuss the mortalities rate. Okay, fertility rate over. In the next class, we shall discuss the mortality. Okay, thank you.